During which of the following periods did the Constitution Assembly deliberate upon the finalize the Constitution of India? Answer A. December 1946 to November 1949. What does the term sovereign imply? Answer C. Free from external control. What is the chief source of political power in India? Answer C. The people. The preamble to the Constitution declares India as Answer A. A sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. India's political system is Answer C. Democratic. The Constitution of India established a parliamentary system of government following the pattern of Answer D. Britain. The Constitution of India is Answer D. Partly rigid, partly flexible. The system of Indian democracy is Answer B. Multi-party and parliamentary in nature. How many members were initially in the Constitution Assembly of India? Answer A. 389. The preamble to the Constitution declares India as Answer A. A sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. Indian polity is Answer A. Semi-feudal in nature. The Indian Constitution provides for a form of government which is Answer C. Quasi-federal. Which of the following was the biggest source for the Constitution of India? Answer D. The Government of India Act 1935. In whose report the idea of a federation of states was first proposed? Answer A. Motilal Nehru. Who among the following was the chairperson of the drafting committee set up by the Constitution Assembly? Answer A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The system of government in India is actually Answer A. Unitary with federal features. The President of the Constitution Assembly of 1946 was Answer C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The Constitution of which one of the following countries' conventions play a prominent role? Answer B. British Constitution. The Constitution of Independent India was put in practice on Answer A. 26 January 1950. The concept of welfare state is included in the Constitution of India in the Answer B. Directive Principles of State Policy. In which year was the part of fundamental duties included in the Constitution by the Indian Parliament? Answer C. 1976. Article 24 of the Indian Constitution prohibits employment of children in any factory below the age of Answer C. 14 years. In which year was passed the Congress Resolution on Fundamental Rights and National Economic Policy? Answer D. 1931. Which article of the Constitution of India give a working definition of the Indian state? Answer A. Article 12. Which one of the following is not a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution? Answer A. The right to property. The right to education for all between 6 and 14 years of age has been included as a fundamental right in the Indian Constitution in Answer A. 2002. Equal pay for equal work for both men and women is a Answer C. Directive Principle of State Policy. Which of the following fundamental rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Answer A. Right to constitutional remedies. Which of the following is not included in the fundamental rights of the Constitution? Answer B. Right to advocate means of livelihood. Which part of the Constitution directs the state to establish a Panchayati Raj institution in the country? Answer B. The directive principle of state policy. Fundamental duties have been included the Indian Constitution in the answer B. 42 Amendment. Which one out of the following is not a fundamental rights? Answer A. The right to strike. The framers of the Constitution borrowed the concept of direct principle from answer C. The Constitution of the Irish Republic. Freedom of speech is a answer C. Fundamental right. Which article of the Constitution of India guarantees to all citizens the freedom of speech and expression? Answer B. Article 19. Any money bill cannot be introduced in the Parliament without the consent of the answer A. President of India. Which one of the following office has not been provided by the Indian Constitution? Answer B. Deputy Prime Minister. The upper house of the state legislature is called answer B. Vidhan Parishad. Which of the following bodies cannot be prorogued, cannot be dissolved? Answer B. Rajya Sabha. From the point of view of dignity, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha is equivalent to answer B. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. The total strength of the Rajya Sabha cannot exceed answer D. 250 members. Rajya Sabha answer A. Only discuss about the ministers. Minimum age an Indian citizen to be elected for Lok Sabha is answer A. 25 years. In which house of the parliament the presiding officer is not a member of the house? Answer D. Rajya Sabha. The speaker of the Lok Sabha answer C. Votes only in a case of a tie. To be granted the status of the official opposition in a legislature, a political party must have at least answer C. 10% of elected members. Find the incorrect statement. Answer C. The President presides over cabinet meeting. To pass a money bill in the Parliament, which of the following is not necessary? Answer B. Approval of the Finance Minister. The leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha enjoys the rank of a answer C. Central Minister. The Lok Sabha in India can be dissolved by the answer A. President of India on the advice of the Prime Minister. The Union Budget is laid before the two houses of Parliament in accordance with Article number of the Indian Constitution. Answer D. 112. The Parliament of India consists of answer C. The President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. A money bill can originate answer D. Only in the Lok Sabha. The first Speaker of the Lok Sabha was answer B. Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar. The maximum term of a member of the Rajya Sabha is answer B. 6 years. The ceiling on the election expenditure for The Lok Sabha being raised from 15 lakh rupees to lakh rupees. Answer A, 25 lakh rupees. Find out the incorrect statement. The Council of States, answer D, has power over the money bill. Rajya Sabha is presided over by the, answer A, Vice President. President of India is directly elected by, answer B, elected MLAs and MPs. The Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Force is, answer C, President of India. The first Vice President of India was, answer D, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. The first citizen of the Republic of India is, answer D, the President of India. The Vice President of India is elected by the, answer A, members of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The President of India can be impeached by, answer B, Parliament. The Parliament has the power to legislate with respect to a matter in the state list provided it is the, answer C, national interest. The President of India can declare an emergency if there is, answer D, any of these three. The President of India can declare financial emergency under, answer D, none of these. How many times has a national emergency been declared so far by the President? Answer C, thrice. How many different types of emergencies are envisaged by the Constitution? Answer A, 3. How many times did the President of India declare national emergency so far? Answer D, never. Which Indian state came under President's rule for the maximum number of times? Answer C, Punjab. What is the minimum period of stay for a person applying for Indian citizenship? Answer D, 5 years. The first general election of independent India was held in, answer A, 1952. A bill of a state legislature become an act when, answer D, the governor of a state signed it. The executive powers of the state are vested in the governor under article of the Constitution. Answer C, Article 154. West Bengal Legislature Council was abolished in the year, answer A, 1969. The Right to Information Act is applicable to the whole of India except to the state of, answer C, Jammu and Kashmir. The Prime Minister is, answer B, elected by the Lok Sabha and appointed by the President. The Union Ministers hold office during the pleasure of, answer C, the President. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Answer B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The first Indian Prime Minister who did not belong to the then Indian National Congress. Answer B, Morarji Desai. Which article of the Constitution of India defines the name and the territory of India? Answer C, Article 1. Which part of the Constitution deals with citizenship? Answer D, Part 2. Under which article of the Constitution the government has awarded Bharat and Padma Shri awards? Answer A, Article 18. Which one of the following office has not been provided by the Indian Constitution? Answer B. Deputy Prime Minister. What was the number of princely states in India at the time of partition? Answer D. 562. Communalism means? Answer B. Showing favor to one community. Supreme Court in its judgment on the Best Bakery case has severely criticized the government of? Answer D. Gujarat. Which of the following statements correctly describes a huge parliament? Answer C. A parliament in which no party has a clear majority. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with securing for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India? Answer B. Article 44. India achieved political independence from British rule on? Answer A. 15 August 1947. The National Green Tribunal was established in India in? Answer D. 2010. Taxes on income other than agriculture income shall be levied and collected by the Government of India under Article of India. Answer D. 269. In the classification of power in the Constitution of India, education falls in? Answer A. Concurrent list. Under which article of the Constitution of India can the Indian Parliament make laws under the residuary powers? Answer C. Article 248. Finances and distributed between the central and the state on the basis of the recommendations of the? Answer D. Finance Commission. Which of the following items come under the concurrent list? Answer D. Labor welfare. Which constitutional mechanism is adopted for the distribution resources between the center and states? Answer A. Indian Finance Commission set up at the interval of 5 years. Indian Constitution allows state legislature to pass? Answer B. State budget. Education under the Indian Constitution is included in? Answer A. The concurrent list. Agriculture under the Indian Constitution is a? Answer C. State subject. The number of subjects enumerated in the concurrent list for purpose of legislation? Answer D. 47. Grants and aid are provided for in the Constitution of India under Articles? Answer B. 275 and 282. Law and order is included in the? Answer B. Union list. In India, non-agriculture income tax is? Answer B. Levied by the center and shared with the states. The total number of Panchayat Samiti in West Bengal is? Answer C. Over 341. Panchayat Samiti is an organization associated with? Answer A. Block. Among all Panchayat Samiti seats, seat reserved for women is? Answer A. 1/3 of the total seats. Panchayati Raj was first started in? Answer A. Rajasthan. A system of Panchayati Raj existed even before 1947 in? Answer A. Tamil Nadu. The powers and responsibilities of the Panchayati Raj and be revised by the? Answer D. State government. The establishment of a Gram Sabha becomes mandatory by? Answer A. The 73rd Amendment of the Constitution. The power and responsibility of Panchayati Raj institution can be revised by answer A. State government. Which of the committees or commissions made recommendations for granting more powers and responsibilities to the Panchayati Raj? Answer D. Mehta Committee. Which of the following gets special representation to Panchayati Raj institutions? Answer C. Women. Panchayati Raj was started in India in the years. Answer A. 1959. The government of West Bengal introduced democratic elections to be local bodies in. Answer D. 1978. The decision to hold Panchayat election is taken by the. Answer D. State government. How many amendments to the Indian Constitution have so far been made? Answer A. 103. By which amendment of the Indian Constitution were the fundamental duties of the citizen inserted? Answer A. 42nd Amendment. Which of the following amendment of the Indian Constitution deal with the anti-defection law? Answer D. 52nd Amendment. By which amendment of the Constitution was the minimum age of voter lowered from 21 to 18 years? Answer A. 61st. Indian Constitution can be amended under Article. Answer D. 368. The first Amendment Act to the Indian Constitution was made in the year. Answer D. 1951. By which amendment of the Constitution of India the right to property was excluded from the fundamental rights? Answer B. 44th Amendment. Which amendment of the Constitution provided constitutional status to the panchayats? Answer D. 73rd Amendment. Which Constitution Amendment Act guaranteed the right to education for all Indian citizens? Answer A. 86th Amendment. The 109th Amendment of the Indian Constitution relates to. Answer A. Reservation for SCs and STs. The word socialist and secular were inserted to the preamble of the Indian Constitution by the. Answer D. 42nd Amendment. Which amendment of the Constitution reduced the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? Answer D. 61st Amendment. The minimum age for being eligible to vote in the Indian election was reduced from 21 years to 18 years in the decade of. Answer B. 1990s. No person shall be deprived of his property, movable and immovable. Answer D. This is an ordinary right. To be guaranteed the status of the official opposition in a legislature, a political party must have at least. Answer C. 10% of elected members. Sikkim became a full-fledged state of India. Answer D. 1975. Which is the first linguistic state of India? Answer D. Andhra Pradesh. Article 370 of the Constitution of India applicable in. Answer D. Jammu and Kashmir. Which of the following is included in the Employee State Insurance Act 1948? Answer D. Medical benefit.